Hi guys, good morning. It's not long I woke up from sleep. Okay, I think I should stand up to talk. Nah, I've changed my mind. So I can't believe that this day is here. I've been planning and looking forward to 2024 NIMSA Health Week, and it's finally here. I honestly don't even know how to feel. Since I woke up from sleep, I've been very moody, very sad because of what happened during the 2023 NIMSA Health Week. If you don't know anything about it, I'll put the link up for you. So I've been having bits of anxiety episodes, and I don't know. I'm just trying to tell myself, calm down and stand up and dress up and move to the hotel. You won't want to believe what the time is. This is almost 12 p.m. and I'm still on bed. Let me just stand up, okay? I'll take you guys along with me. Okay, so guys, they've taken light too. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. I am here for NIMSA Health Week 2024. I vlogged the one of 2023, which ended on a very sad note. I lost my very good friend. And honestly, coming to this place is making me miss him so much, because by now I would have sent him a message to tell him that I'm downstairs. He should come out, let's take a picture together. Yeah, it's very sad. But thank God it's holding at Abakaliki this time around. This is where I stay, this is where I school. But I decided to pay for hotel regardless, so that I'm going to have the full experience. So fingers crossed, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So first of all, I should do a tour of the hotel room so you guys would see it. Hey God, the lighting in this room is not the best, I hope you guys are still seeing me. Okay, I think I should open the windows. Maybe that's going to help things around here. Hi guys, we are going for karaoke night now. Are you ready to say hi? Hi! That's my roommate. Oh my God, can you imagine how excited I was when I came to this room and I saw this girl inside this room? To party, guys. I'm back to the hotel room. Oh, I beg. I'm tired. See you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. And I look like a hobo. It's the second day of the conference and we are preparing to go for the symposium proper. I slept well, but when I say I slept well, the bed was so soft. I'm used to sleeping on all these strong orthopedic beds. So I have symposium this morning. My phone call is missing, so I want to go downstairs to see if I can find it. I'm just hoping I can find it, honestly.
and get what I want.
Okay. Sorry, let